Oh, good afternoon everybody, it's Derek at Lockie's Locksmith Services. Today we're going to have a look at this Perry's gate lock. This bit fits on the inside, it screws to the gate, the snout comes through the gate, and it's lockable from both sides. So what we'll do is we'll have a quick go of picking this, and then we'll show you something on the inside that's interesting. So I'm just going to use my city rake, and I'm actually going to use a dedicated tension tool. This is actually intended for an apex mealer, but it fits, and it's quite good to use on this because I had difficulty getting this in the vise. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to run up and down with my city rake, and what you need is you really need just light tension on this to get it open. Real light tension. There we go. So that's actually picked as usual. It doesn't pick as longer. It doesn't pick as fast as it normally does. But you can see what happens now with the throw of the bolts. So if you watch that now, you can see that the bolt actually moves, and that would come out the bracket, allowing you to open the gates. So what I'll do is I'll close it too. So on the inside of the gate, it actually looks like this. Just manipulate that. So it's the same thing again on the inside of the gate, but what I've discovered on the double-sided lock one is that there's actually something that lets it down a little bit. So it's a bit like the thumb turn. It's a bit springy on the inside. So I'm going to take that and insert it above the pin, push it in. That then allows us, as you can see there, in fact you can't see that. Now let me, so what I'm going to do is just usually going to use any pick really, and I'm going to push it over the pins like we do with thumb turn locks, and it's quite spongy at the back, and as you can see that now the bolts moves in and out quite freely. So that's like an override on the inside. Thank you.